That's spending time with family and friends. Especially in such a magical place. Speaking of magical, tonight, under the twinkling stars,
this is where they start popping up like mushrooms.
Is about to begin. You and I will wish upon a star. And sure as my name's Cricket, you'll see that wishes can come true. If you believe in them, that is. So gather up your friends and family. It's almost time for the magic to begin.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in just 10 minutes, the Magic Kingdom will proudly present Wishes, a magical gathering of Disney dreams, featuring Jiminy Cricket and friends. Tonight's show is presented by Pandora Jewelry. The magic begins in just 10 minutes. Thank you.
Damas, caballeros y niños, en solo 10 minutos, Magic Kingdom tendrá el honor de presentar Wishes, a magical gathering of Disney dreams, con Pepito Grillo y sus amigos, presentado por Pandora Jewelry. La magia empieza en solo 10 minutos. Gracias.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in just 5 minutes, we will present our nighttime fireworks spectacular, Wishes, a magical gathering of Disney dreams, presented by Pandora Jewelry. In order for you to fully experience tonight's presentation, the lighting around the Magic Kingdom will be reduced. For your own safety and for that of others, we ask that you remain in the same location until the lighting returns to normal.
Damas, caballeros y niños, en solo unos pocos minutos se presentarán nuestros espectaculares fuegos artificiales. Wishes, a magical gathering of Disney dreams, presentado por Pandora Jewelry. Para que disfruten al máximo de la presentación esta noche, se bajarán las luces en Magic Kingdom. Para su propia seguridad y comodidad, les sugerimos que no se desplacen hasta que se prendan las luces nuevamente.
And now, your host, Jiminy Cricket.
Why, good evening, folks. Just look at this gathering of friends. Talk about magical. You're all here looking for some magic, aren't you? So where's all the magic you ask? Well, in just a wink, we'll find it together with the help of a few of our friends. Isn't that right, Blue Fairy? Layla?
Yes, Sir Jimmy. This night is made for magic. We'll journey to the stars where dreams are born, and together we'll discover the magic that makes wishes come true.
Oh, gather around, folks. This I've got to see.
And I turned off the lock because she was going to lock herself up.
There we go.
Possess a gift or two. One of them is this. They have the power to make a wish come true.
Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. We'll make a wish and do as dreamers do. And all our wishes will come true. You wish upon a star. Makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come true.
Pretty, huh? Oh, you folks don't believe that. My wish coming true? Do ya? Well, I didn't either. Of course, I'm just a cricket. But let me tell you what made me change my mind. You see, the most fantastic, magical things can happen. And it starts with a wish. Especially when it comes from the heart. She brings to those who love the sweet fulfillment of their secret love. Sometimes wishes can be granted in the most unexpected ways.
10,000 years can give you such a crick in the neck. Hello, people. I'm here. Come on. We've got some wishes to grant.
conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide.
Slaves in the magic mirror come from the farthest space. Through wind and darkness I'll stand. Let me see thy face. A blast of wind to fan my feet. A thunderbolt to cast my spell. Alas, grant me knowledge as well.
You know, folks, you gotta be careful what you wish for around here, or you'll get yourself in an awful mess. But just when things look bad, fate steps in to see you through. Well, I'll be. It's the Blue Fairy!
Always believe in our wishes, for they are the magic in the world. Now, let's all put our hearts together and make a wish come true.
Starlight, starbright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might. Have a wish and wish tonight. We'll make a wish and do as we must do. And all our wishes will come true.
You see, it's just like I told you. Wishes can come true if you believe in them with all your heart. And the best part is, you'll never run out of wishes. They're shining deep down inside of you. Because that, my friends, is where the magic lives.
Wishes, dream a dream. Wishes, set me free. Wishes, trust your heart. Just believe. Just believe. Just believe.
See what little wishing can do? Thanks, folks, for making this spectacular bar so extra magical. And from our family and friends to yours, may all your wishes come true. So long.
throw.